In the early part of 2013, Jessica Feinberg and her pal Oliver could be seen having a bit of fun in the sun at the Davis Islands Dog Beach. But there was a problem.
He used to get cut up on the rocks.
Waves from the passing boats eroded the shoreline of the popular beach, exposing jagged rocks that were painful to dogs' paws. So the city of Tampa began building an offshore breakwater, putting in artificial reef modules, and adding more sand to prevent any future erosion. The project was unveiled in December of 2013.
All right. Thank you.
Jen Fidel, co-founder of the Friends of Davis Islands Dog Parks, is happy about the outcome of the beach restoration process.
To be here right now is so exciting because so many people have been waiting for this day for 6 months now. It's a great social place to be for the dogs and for the people who love them, so it's awesome.
The canines seem excited to swim again.
He loves going in the water.
And Feinberg and her pal Oliver are glad they can return to another normal day in paradise.
I love it because he gets tired and he has fun and he has a ton of energy and he goes home and he wants to lay down and cuddle with me and just has a good time here.
This is Frank Crum for Spotlight Tampa.